Welcome to In 5 Minutes. We take a problem on compound bars. Our problem statement is a copper rod 36 mm diameter is encased in and rigidly attached at the end of a steel tube which is 50 mm in external diameter and thickness being 5 mm. The composite section is subjected to an axial pull of 100 kN. Find the stresses induced in each metal and extension on length of 1.5 meter. They have also given the properties of steel and copper. ES is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square and EC is equal to 1.1 into 10 to the power 5 Newton per mm square. So we first draw the figure for the given problem. We can see the figure here. We have this copper rod of diameter 36 mm which is inside a steel tube of outside diameter 50 mm and the thickness of the tube being 5 mm. The length of both copper rod and steel tube is 1.5 meter. We can see both copper rod and steel tube is attached rigidly and both its ends are subjected to an axial pull or tensile load of 100 kilonewton. In this problem, we have been asked to find first the stresses induced in each metal, meaning the stress in copper rod as well as the stress in steel tube. Second, the extension on the length of 1.5 meter, meaning they have asked elongation delta L. The section shown here is a compound section in parallel. The composite section is also our indeterminate structure as unknown forces is 2, that is load shared by copper rod EC and load shared by steel tube PS, and the static equilibrium equation that can be applied to this problem to solve the problem is only one, that is summation of Fx is equal to 0, since the only load which is being applied is a longitudinal load in the x direction. So we first apply a static equilibrium equation. Since the applied load is a 100 kilonewton tensile load, the load shared by copper rod as well as steel tube will also be a tensile load. So we can write the static equilibrium equation as Pc plus Ps is equal to 100 kilonewton, and let this be our equation 1.